and then just start ventilating. Now I've got to go, he stands there, I've got to mentally transfer, open the bodies up, and now I've got to keep them open. Now, what I like to do is when I connect, I stretch my thumb out, my akasha opening, and then open the matrices with my thumb. So it's just a very gentle background ritual of doing this. If I've got to open the mental space, I take the space between here and here, and I open those earth and akasha together to open. But normally it's just engage with my thumb, open, and get the matrix open. Now the partner, you don't have to say anything, but your partner will start talking about what they want to release. And then with your hand rituals or however you want to work subtly, you just keep it open, releasing. And you just keep that energy going out, out, out for the duration of the session. And then when you finish, close everything back in and close all the doors and seal the doors. And look at the REM movement on the eyes. You get this twitching on the eye when you get everything really open. It's kind of like a little flutter happens there, and then as you close the doors, that flutter disappears. Thank you, Amy.